everyone, welcome back to our channel. I know it's been such a long time since we made a video, but you know, life got in the way, so we're back now and we're in the month of Ramadan at the moment, fasting, and Eid is around the corner. So today we're going to bring you a recipe that we've been making throughout Ramadan, like to celebrate Eid. It's Betefour. It's called Betefour in Egyptian, is that right?
Yes, Betefour. Yeah.
My mum's been making it since the start of Ramadan. Like she slowly makes all the biscuits in time for Eid. So she's literally making 6 or 7 different types of biscuits.
Yes, about it, yeah.
Yeah, like every day wakes up and she makes it. But this one is my absolute favorite. She gave me some and every day I'm like slowly asking for more because they're so delicious and they're just like so soft and moist, and yeah, it's amazing. So we're going to show you the recipe today, and it's really easy to make actually. Do you want to walk us through what we need?
Yes, 315 gram unsalted butter, half kilo self-freezing flour, half cups of measured cups
of icing sugar.
Pure icing sugar.
It needs to be pure icing sugar. Make sure you don't use the soft mixture for this.
And 2 eggs this size.
That's a large egg, so there's usually 60 grams.
And vanilla sugar. And that's
the cookie press or the biscuit press.
Yeah.
We got this one online. It's by Marcato brand. It's really sturdy. So we recommend you get one that works for you. But we got this one online, and there's a few different shapes you can use for the biscuits. We use like a zigzag shape. I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but I'll do close-ups later when we're doing the method. And we're using a stand mixer today, but you can use a handheld mixer, or if you want some muscles, you can just use your hands, but you need to cream the butter and the sugar really well. So this is the ingredients for the biscuits. After we've baked them and we've let them like cool down, we're gonna actually decorate them. So we're gonna have different ingredients for that, which is like white. You can use white chocolate or milk chocolate to decorate it.
The decoration always depends about what you like. Sometimes use chocolate, white chocolate or milk chocolate or whatever, coconut.
Yeah, we use coconut.
Yeah.
And
depends what you like.
And raspberry jam, yeah, in between the biscuits.
Yeah, we're gonna use raspberry, but you can use apricot jam, you can use strawberry jam. It depends what the flavor you like it.
Yeah, that's right. So we're gonna use white chocolate today and raspberry jam in between the biscuits, and we're gonna use a mix of different like decorations. So we're gonna use some what are they called? Hundreds and thousands. Those little sprinkles thing. My kids love those.
That's one.
Yeah, excuse me. Yeah, this one, we're going to use this one. And it's just some coconut. So, yeah, it's up to you. Alright, just keep watching to see how we make them, and we'll see you at the end. See ya.
We're going to start by creaming the butter and icing sugar very well. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes to cream. Make sure you stop and scrape the bowl a couple of times during the creaming process to ensure that everything is incorporated well. Once the butter and sugar have creamed well together and are smooth, you can add 1 egg at a time. Make sure to mix it well until it is combined. You don't want it to be lumpy or soupy, so you're going to mix it and then scrape down the sides of the bowl and continue mixing until it is homogenized and looks creamy again. You can see that the egg has now mixed in well with the butter. You can now add in the second egg and your vanilla sugar and let that mix until it is well combined. Once the eggs are well combined, you can now add half of your flour, 1 tablespoon at a time on low speed, and then add the rest in all at once. Let that mix until it starts to form a dough. Then we use our hands to bring the dough together. When it no longer feels sticky to the touch, it is ready to use. These are some of the different shapes we use to make the Betefour biscuits. We ended up using 2 different shapes, as you'll see later, a flower shape and the zigzag shape. So you put the dough inside the biscuit press and push it all the way down. The size of the biscuit will depend on how much dough you push down. The more you push out, obviously the bigger the biscuit size will be. You want to try and keep the biscuits the same size as you will be pairing them together. Initially, you want to push the handle down a few times to get the dough to the bottom before we start to shape our biscuits on the tray. If you don't have a biscuit press, you can also use a star tip. Put some dough inside the tip and push out to create the shape that you like. You're going to place the biscuits into the oven for about 8 minutes. Every oven's different, so you just want to check that the bottom of the biscuits have turned a nice light golden color. We start by gluing the biscuits together. We're going to pair them with the same size and use the strawberry or raspberry jam to glue the biscuits together. You then dip them in white chocolate or milk chocolate depending on your preference, and then you can either leave them with just plain chocolate or you can put a topping on. Here we've used hundreds and thousands. We also have our roasted peanuts and our desiccated coconut.
Hey guys, so we finished making the biscuits and these are how they look like. We have a few different toppings that we've used. The hundreds and thousands, some coconut and roasted peanuts. And we've got a few different shapes going on. And we haven't used any milk chocolate today because we personally just run out. So you can use that as well. And yeah, these are how they turned out.
It's special for the inside. Repeat again, it depends about your favorite flavor. Some people like strawberry jam, apricot jam, marmalade. It depends about you like, but we used
raspberry.
Yeah,
raspberry jam.
I wish you enjoyed my cookies, my recipe.
I'm gonna eat it all later. Yeah, see you all next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
See ya.